Tell me a story. Last week I had her going so fast.
I saw the video.
And that wasn't even happening.
Hi, baby girl.
Tell me stories. Tell me stories. Tell me stories. La 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 la. 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 La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah. La 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 la. Tell me stories. Tell me stories.
She is a good girl. And she would make such a perfect companion for someone who lived alone and was home all day.
I wish I could take her. There's no way I could have a 2 at my place.
There's no way I could live with a 2. I'd love them. I might someday, but not while I'm working.
La, 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 la. Tell me stories. Tell me stories. La 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 la. Hello.